So SP, when is the earliest in your estimate na magagawa yung
After the
impeachment
20th
trial?
Congress convenes. That's what I've been saying from day one. We will do all of the preliminary matters before trial, before the 20th Congress. But most likely, trial itself will commence once the 20th Congress convenes. Dahil kung hindi, tandaan nyo, matatapos ang term ng 12 senador pagkatapos ng June 30. Yung sinasabi kong palitan ng dokumento, tapos na yung June 30 dun eh. So, 12 lang ang senador. Paano naman kami magta-trial ng 12? Siguradong panalo na yung nasasakdal dahil walang two-thirds. Diba? So, the soonest time we can convene the impeachment court for trial purposes would be once the Senate is complete with 24 members. That will happen after June 30 and once the new Senate has entered into its function.